Okay, we've got another unboxing video today. There are 3 boomboxes in just 2 packages. And the first one I acquired from shopgoodwill.com, which means I have no idea what the true condition of this item is. And here it is, the Toshiba RT130S. And looking at it closely, this is a very dirty boombox. It's going to need a lot of elbow grease to clean up. All the buttons and switches are there, which is something I usually look for when I'm buying something online. I don't usually test everything in these videos. I just kind of go over what I've got. Fortunately, the cassette door does open on stop eject. Again, this is a pretty dirty thing here. As we spin it around, we've got the back, you've got left and right microphone back there. You've got a place to plug in the power cord. There it is, RT130S, made in Japan. From what I can tell, this was made in around 1983. And if we look inside the battery compartment, another thing I like to verify is that there's no corrosion inside, and it looks like this is pretty clean, so that's good. So I'll have another video on getting this cleaned up and working. Next up, we've got a large box from goodwillfinds.com, and I've never purchased anything from there before. It's another online Goodwill thrift store shop. I find it to be very expensive, but when I signed up for the site, they gave me a 25% discount coupon, which I used to purchase these. And so we have the GE35257A, much heavier than the Toshiba that I just looked at. So again, this is a old, I'm not sure of the exact year, but an old boombox that needs some cleanup. We have levers and dials, and everything seems to be there except for the record button. There's LED lights for signal strength and audio record level. Tape counter. Again, the record button is missing, so I'll have to figure out a solution for that. It's got left and right microphone, 4 speakers. This has on the back what they're calling tape take-along, which are 2 trays that can store cassette tapes, and that's kind of interesting. I haven't seen that before. The antenna is broken. Headphone jack, beat, cut. Again, it is the General Electric 35257A. Normal yellowed plastic. And the battery compartment is clean. There you've got actually 9-volt DC in and AC. So there it is. Here's the second item from goodwillfinds.com, and I'm pretty sure I paid too much for this, but it just looked really neat. This is the Realistic SCR40 from 1990. It's in the Radio Shack 1990 catalog, sold for $69 at that time. And it just looks It's just the right size. I like this. It looks like, again, all the buttons are there and all the sliders, which is good. The plastic is a little yellowed over time. It's got a microphone on top there. It has a neat handle on the side. The antenna is kind of floppy, but that can be fixed easily. And when we turn it around, it looks like there's a compartment in the back that would store earbuds. And I think in the picture in the Radio Shack catalog, it shows earbuds are included. Again, you're not going to get good sound out of this, but it's just a neat little unit, I think. Beat cut. Again, everything has beat cut. AC, and then it takes batteries. And if we look inside, it's very clean, which is, again, good. So I'm really excited to open this up and get it working again. I don't even try to turn these on until I open them up and look inside. You open these up, and sometimes there's fuses to check, and of course all the belts and rubber bits need replacing or fixing. So there you have it. Those are the 3 boomboxes I unboxed today. There will be follow-up videos on each one of these, so keep your eyes peeled.